If you've never taken a peek at your home using Google Earth, you'll be surprised how much of your life is visible to the world. And Google Earth Street View can be even more intrusive, showing not only your home, but the cars in the driveway. Here's how you can restore at least a little bit of your privacy. Your Weekend Tech Update is brought to you by SolveIQ. Easily fix common computer issues, printer problems, and optimize your PC. Learn more at solveiq.com/Kim. If your home is clearly displayed on Google Earth Street View, here's how to hide it. If you don't already have it, download Google Maps. It's free. Use the Street Gallery view, look up your address, and your home will be displayed. There on the bottom right of your screen, look for a tab labeled Report a Problem. Click on that tab, fill out the form, and hit the Submit button. Once the photo is reported, Google will blur out the image. But be sure this is what you really want, because once Google blurs it out, there's no way for Google to reverse it. I'm Kim Komando. I have a ton of how-to videos on my YouTube channel. Check them out at youtube.com/KimKomando.